Welcome to another episode of Impressive Farming. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dragon fruit farming. Ever wondered how farmers produce an abundant and high-quality harvest of this exotic fruit? Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind successful dragon fruit cultivation. The first step in growing a great dragon fruit harvest is selecting the right variety. There are three main types: the white-fleshed variety, the red-fleshed variety, and the yellow-skinned variety. Each of these has unique characteristics. The white-fleshed dragon fruit, commonly known as Hylocereus undatus, is the most widely cultivated and has a mildly sweet taste. The red-fleshed variety, Hylocereus costarricensis, is known for its vibrant color and higher antioxidant content. The yellow-skinned variety, Selenicereus megalanthus, is smaller but has a sweeter and more aromatic flavor. Farmers choose the best type based on their climate, soil conditions, and market demand. Some even experiment with crossbreeding different varieties to create new hybrids with enhanced flavors and growth characteristics. Tropical climates with temperatures ranging between 65-85 degrees Fahrenheit 18-29 degrees Celsius. They require well-draining soil with a pH of 6 to 7 and plenty of sunlight. These factors contribute to healthy plant growth and high fruit yield. Farmers often conduct soil tests before planting to ensure optimal growing conditions. If the soil lacks essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium, they amend it with organic matter such as compost, manure, or biochar. Proper air circulation is also crucial to prevent fungal infections, so many farmers space their plants adequately and prune excess growth to improve airflow. Most dragon fruit farms use stem cuttings for propagation rather than seeds, as this method ensures faster growth and better yield. The cuttings are left to dry for a few days before planting, reducing the risk of rot. Typically, the cuttings are taken from mature, healthy plants that have already proven to be high-yielding. Once dried, they are planted in soil with good drainage and given light watering until new roots develop. Some farmers use growth hormones or rooting powders to encourage faster root formation. Compared to growing from seeds, which can take up to 5 years for fruit production, cuttings can yield fruit within a year or two. Dragon fruit plants are climbing cacti that need sturdy support. Farmers often use concrete or wooden posts with circular trellises at the top to help the vines spread out. This setup maximizes sunlight exposure and allows for easy fruit harvesting. Some farms also use metal structures for durability, while others experiment with horizontal trellis systems to increase productivity. Proper trellising not only improves plant health but also reduces labor costs by making pruning and harvesting more efficient. Although dragon fruit plants are drought tolerant, consistent watering is crucial, especially during the flowering and fruiting stages. Many farmers use drip irrigation to provide adequate moisture without overwatering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which is a common problem in dragon fruit farming. Mulching around the base of the plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Organic fertilizers, such as compost and manure, enrich the soil with essential nutrients. Some farmers incorporate slow-release fertilizers that provide a steady supply of nutrients over time. Did you know that dragon fruit flowers only bloom at night? These stunning, fragrant flowers open after sunset and usually close by morning. While some varieties rely on nocturnal pollinators like bats and moths, many farmers hand-pollinate the flowers to ensure a higher fruit set. This process significantly boosts harvest quality. Hand pollination involves using a soft brush to transfer pollen from one flower to another, increasing the chances of successful fertilization. Some farmers also interplant different varieties to improve cross-pollination rates naturally. Timing is crucial, as the flowers are only receptive to pollination for a few hours. This means farmers often work late at night or early in the morning to maximize fruit production. Farmers must keep an eye out for common pests like mealybugs and aphids, as well as diseases such as stem rot and fungal infections. To maintain healthy crops, they use organic pesticides, neem oil, and proper pruning techniques. Regularly inspecting plants helps identify issues early before they spread. Some farms introduce beneficial insects such as ladybugs and lacewings to control pest populations naturally. Crop rotation and intercropping with pest-repelling plants like marigolds and basil can also help reduce infestations. Additionally, using well-spaced plant arrangements and proper air circulation reduces the likelihood of fungal infections, which thrive in humid conditions. Dragon fruits are ready for harvest around 30 to 50 days after flowering. Farmers look for vibrant color and slight softness before picking the fruit. The harvesting process requires careful handling to prevent bruising. Sharp pruning shears are used to cut the fruit cleanly from the vine, leaving a small portion of the stem intact to extend shelf life. After harvesting, the fruits are washed, sorted, and packed for distribution to markets worldwide. Some farmers use grading systems to categorize fruits based on size, weight, and appearance, ensuring premium quality produce reaches consumers. Proper storage at cool temperatures helps maintain freshness, and some farms use controlled atmosphere packaging to extend shelf life for exports. Dragon fruit is not only delicious but also highly nutritious, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. The demand for this superfruit has been rising globally, making it a profitable crop for farmers. Some farms process dragon fruit into value-added products such as juices, dried snacks, and cosmetic ingredients. Sustainable farming practices, such as organic production and zero-waste processing, are becoming increasingly popular to meet consumer preferences for eco-friendly agriculture. And there you have it, the incredible journey of dragon fruit farming. With proper care and dedication, farmers can produce an impressive harvest of this nutritious and delicious fruit. Whether you're a farmer looking to improve your yield or a consumer curious about where your food comes from, we hope this video has given you valuable insights into the fascinating world of dragon fruit farming. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing farming insights.